today's video, I'm going to show you how to import a make.com blueprint step by step. This is a really useful feature because it lets you load a ready-made automation instead of building everything from scratch, which can save you a lot of time. First, log into your make.com account. Once you're in, go to the scenarios page from the left sidebar. This is where all your automations live and where you'll manage or create new ones. Next, click Create a New Scenario. This will open a blank canvas where you normally build automations. But instead of adding modules manually, we're going to import a blueprint into this space. Look toward the toolbar at the bottom of the scenario builder. You'll see a 3-dot menu that opens additional options. Click on that, then choose Import Blueprint. Now simply upload your blueprint file from your device or select one that's already available to you. Once it's uploaded, make.com will automatically load the full scenario onto your canvas. Modules, connections, and configuration included. From here, you can review the setup, make adjustments if needed, and then run the scenario once everything looks good. And that's it. You've successfully imported a make.com blueprint. It's a fast, efficient way to start automating without rebuilding workflows from the ground up. If this helped, feel free to keep exploring more automation ideas and enjoy the productivity boost that comes with it.